Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad sangma mental sngi tho diang ula Pynshai Biang habede halor Lumpongdeng kaba ula Pynshai ru hanin gesngi. Conrad ula ong bala Pynshai hak MOU ba an amdan ki jingtei ki bane junom ha udolnong Lumpongdeng. Ula ong baya katach resort and spa antei hak Orchid Umïam ha Lumpongdeng. Ula ong ba hakani kadolnong an penankam tang nakabenta ki jingtei ki bane shipor. Ula ong baka kam jungok kai ka ai jingmentoy ya baro namar kinong shongshnong kinyo jingmentoy ling baki kam jungok kai. Shu ula ong badan kam ban bon ki homestay badan kam ban pentikna bai ki tour guide ni kinong yalam denti de ban ai jing hikai dan kam ban penkla ni ki kam ket kam ba bapher dan kam ban kentiu ru ki kam shnakti ba di ki weipat ki kam than jing than baro ki kam kinyo jingmentoy hadian habod ula ong. Namar kata ngidon kam ki 5 star bar ngidon kam ru iki restaurant ki barit kumju ru ngidon kam iki homestay knang ba ki trai shnong kinyo jingmentoy ula ong. Pinsakmen bantip ba ka Meghalaya kani ka way ni ki jila ba bon tam ki homestay hak ba kumba praspa tali ki homestay la yo bantay bar salai hajar tali la thmu bantay hakini ki snam banwan ula benrang. Ula pentikna ba ka sarkar kan pendenti hakaliang ka yo ka kot bat hakaliang ban pene pensa ya ka mariang. Bat ula pentikna ru ban ra ya ki resort ki bahe bat kumjuru anwan ra ya ki homestay ki barit bat ki weipat ki ba kinong shongshnong kin yo jingmentoy. Ula penpa badan kam ban ai ka jingkersha nambaro ban pentikna ban penya ya kini ki jingtmu shakmat bat ukermen ba ki pat ba kin sngotu ya kini jingtmu ka sarkar.
Dear friends, this is in continuation with the concerns that some sections have regarding the development in the Umïam area and concerns about the Lumpongdeng island. As clarified yesterday, first, that in the MOU, it is clearly stated that no permanent structures can come up in the Lumpongdeng island. Number 2, the Taj Resort and Spa will come up in the existing Orchid Umïam property. That is where the main structure and the main hotel will be constructed. The island will mostly be used for activities where temporary structures will be allowed. Number 2, it is also important to note that the tourism strategy is a holistic strategy. This requires infrastructures to be created, hotels to be created, 5-star properties to be developed, but at the same time to ensure that our people get the benefit of the tourism development. Homestays need to be pushed. We need to ensure that our tour guides are trained. The different transport systems need to be strengthened. Different activities and products like handcraft and other textile products need to be promoted. And hence it is a holistic strategy and all sections and stakeholders will benefit in the long run. Hence we need 5 stars, but at the same time we also need small restaurants and we also need homestays so that local people can benefit. You'll be happy to know that Meghalaya has one of the most aggressive homestay programs where close to 800 homestays are being constructed as we speak and another 3,000 are targeted in the next few years. And hence while these concerns are being noted, let me assure the citizens of our state that we are ensuring that a balance is struck between overall economic development and balance between our environment, and at the same time ensuring that high-end luxury resorts come in, but at the same time smaller homestays and other facilities where our local people benefit from it do also come up. We will require everybody's support to ensure that we are able to take this vision forward, and I hope that this clarification will help people understand the larger strategy and the larger objective that our government has. Thank you very much.